Hello, I am Dheeraj of Class 9 from Defence Laboratory School RCI.
And I am Anish of 10th class. We both are here to explain about our project, the Train Anti-Collision Device. In India, most of the train accidents are occurred due to collisions. In 2010, there was a collision between the Licchavi Express and Magadh Express near Lucknow. The Gorakhdam Express collided with the Prayagraj Express at Kanpur. A speeding freight train rammed into Indore-Gwalior Intercity Express in MP. In fact, even in 2012, the Delhi-bound Brahmaputra mail rammed into a stationary goods train, killing a number of people, including children. These are some of the accidents which are occurred in the recent years. The number is as high as 42. So, my friend and I set out on developing the project TACD. This comes as a bright ray of hope to one and all. In a train journey, one's life is mostly in the hands of train's loco-pilot. So, he has to control himself and also the train. These train accidents may occur due to inappropriate reflexes towards the oncoming train by the loco-pilot, or avoidance of signals by the loco-pilot, and due to faulty signaling systems too. Whatever may be the reason, the train accidents should be prevented at all costs. The laser and LDR are the key components of our project. Laser stands for light amplification by stimulated emission of radiation, and LDR is a light dependent resistor whose resistance decreases with increasing intensity of light.
Other components used in our project are LCD screen, microcontroller, electric buzzer, DC motor, robotic chassis and a battery. We have placed LDRs and lasers side by side in our train. We have placed a series of LDRs on either side of the train and a laser at the last coach of the train. In addition to this, we have placed a laser at the traffic signal pole. This laser would be functioning only when the red light of the signal pole is on. This configuration can be used in all types of train engines.
Now let me explain you the working of our device practically. In our project, we have used lasers. This is the head laser and this is the rear laser. This is a microcontroller. These are the LDRs and this is RF radio frequencies. This is the robotic chassis. This is the buzzer and this is the LCD screen. Below this we have DC motors. Actually, head-on collision means two trains are coming towards each other and they are about to collide face to face. So next case is with the rear-end collision. Rear-end collision means there is a stationary train or slow-moving train on the track and there is another train coming to hit it. So in this case, we have said you that we will be having a laser at the rear end of the last train, that is the last coach. So that laser would be functioning when the train is slow moving or stationary. So this laser would fall on the oncoming train's LDR. LDR on sensing the light allows more current through pass to the microcontroller, and microcontroller sends signal to the buzzer, brakes as well as the LCD screen. See in this charts also we have mentioned all the three types of collisions here, that is overshooting of red signals. These are the series of LDRs and this is the laser which is functioning only when the red signal of the signal light pole is on. When this laser falls on this LDR sends the light and stop the train, and this is the case with rear end collision. So here there will be a laser and this is an LDR. This laser falls on this LDR and this train gets stopped, and this is the back view, and this is the head-on collision. The simultaneous actions take place in head-on collision, like it's vice versa. Like this laser falls on this LDR and this laser falls on this LDR. These are the solidified figures which we have made. Now Dheeraj will explain you about the salient features and future scope of the project.
We have used LDRs which are low priced and sturdy. We have used lasers which have a very high range, their wavelength ranging from a few meters to many kilometers. We have used electric buzzer which has a very high intensity. It is loud enough to alert the train loco-pilot. We have set up an LCD screen to state the status of the train. In all, our project has been proven economical and efficient. Future scope of our project. As there is a data recorder known as the black box in a flight, we similarly intend to set up a data recorder in trains to know the actual cause behind some accidents that are not yet discovered. We similarly intend to set up a fire warning and water sprinkler system to avoid fire accidents. And we also plan to set up an automatic rail crossing system to avoid manual errors. There are other systems developed such as the ACD, anti-collision device, TPWS, train protection and warning system, TCAS, train collision avoidance systems. But we watched for our project as ACD trials were not satisfactory, whereas TPWS and TCAS were very expensive.
Thank you and Namaskar.